With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, the question is the most satisfactory method to separate mixture of sugars is A. Fractional crystallization, B. Sublimation, C. Chromatography, and D. Benedict's reagent. So let's discuss this question. So solution. So the first one is fractional crystallization. So in fractional crystallization, what happens is refining of substance is done. Fractional crystallization. So here refining of substance is done on the basis of solubility of a particular solvent. So what happens is during this fractional crystallization, two solids are separated based on the solubility in a particular solvent. So this is incorrect as as the mixture of sugars will have the orientation of OH in a different manner. So nothing as such will be seen here. So sublimation is the second one. So sublimation is the process where sublimable, volatile, solid and non-sublimable impurity is separated. An example can be camphor and NaCl. As we can see, this camphor is a volatile impurity, volatile solid, and it is evaporated. It is evaporated from solid to gas. So mixture of sugars is definitely not a volatile solid. So this is not the correct method. The third one is chromatography. So this method is a suitable method, as what happens is during this method is separation of mixtures is done, a mobile phase is taken and a stationary phase is taken. Mobile phase and a stationary phase. So consider this as, so this is a paper and a mark is done here and the mixture is put at this position. Suppose I am marking it is as A, and then what happens is this whole paper is dipped in the solution. So what happens, this mark is above the solution and here we have the solvent all over. So what happens, as this layer, this is mobile phase and this is stationary phase, the marking is done here, and what happens is on the basis of different how the substance absorbs this, the mixture is separated, like a mixture is separated at different speeds. So the mixture which is separated at fast speed is separated at first, and the mixture at lower speed is separated at last. So this way the mixture of sugars can be separated using chromatography. So yes, this is a good method. And at last, the Benedict's test. So Benedict's solution is chemical reagent and it is mixture of sodium carbonate solution as well as sodium citrate and copper 2 sulfate, pentahydrate. So it is also used to separate reducing sugars. So these reducing sugars can be monosaccharides or disaccharides. But this method is not as used as such, because here we can see only the reducing sugars will be separated, not all the sugars. So chromatography is still the best way to separate the sugars, mixture of sugars. So C is the correct option here. The best with the most satisfactory method. So C. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.